Welcome back to the channel. So, got another truck. I know to a lot of you guys, it doesn't really seem like much. This is a 1995 F-150. It's got a 5-liter automatic, and most of you guys are right. It's not much, but this truck means a lot to me. This was my grandpa's truck, and for those of you who know me personally, know he passed away about 1.5 years ago. This truck has been sitting at his house since then, which is about 2.5 hours from where we live, but we just haven't really made the time. We've been up there quite a bit. I mean, we visited a lot, but just hasn't felt right to bring it home. And this weekend we went ahead and decided that it was time and that we needed to get this thing home. So we put a different battery in it, started it up, made the 2.5 hour trip without issue. I already went ahead actually, and last night I got the AC working, charged it. It's blowing cold now. I need to fix the cruise control and the radio, and then it's pretty well driver. It's in pretty good shape. The hood is, can't really see it very well. You can see it there. Sat under a walnut tree, so I mean, you know, tree sap and stuff. It does have a little bit of a exhaust leak, no big thing there. And then it's pretty well it. All the lights work, everything like that. It made the 2.5 hour trip flawless. But tonight we are going to go and wash this thing for the first time in probably 5 years, to be honest. It's been a long time. He didn't drive it a whole lot, and I actually went to pick this up with him, pick it out, I should say, in 2006 when he bought it. So I don't know, it's cool. I love the truck. I'm glad to have it. Obviously I would rather have my grandpa, but we got the truck. So it is literally exactly as he left it. All his stuff's still inside of it. It's kind of cool. So we're gonna go wash this thing up. You can't really see very well, but the whole front of it's just covered in moss. Hopefully the car wash will have better lighting. We'll get a better look at that, and then we're gonna get to cleaning this thing up. So I'm gonna give you a little bit better video of the truck under better lighting, but this car wash has got music playing that isn't copyrighted, or is copyrighted, so I can't use it. So some of this might be muted, but you'll get an idea. We'll try to take a look real quick while they're on a little break. But there's more music, so here we go. Inside's pretty good. Seats are nice. Got one little crack in the dash. I got the radio out because, like I said, I'm kind of diagnosing that right now. The lights come on, but it doesn't, so I don't know if it's shot or if there's a wiring issue, but we're gonna dig into that. Other than that, I'm missing this little piece here, this little trim piece, and then there's a little crack in the clear plexi cover for the cluster. Other than that, it's pretty good. No real issues, so we will clean this out eventually. We're not going to do it tonight, but yeah, that's where we're at. So we're gonna get washing this outside. And like I said, we'll probably throw on some time-lapse music because we can't play this stuff. So we're gonna get going at it. We're gonna try to clean this hood up real good and get all that moss off the front. So should be pretty satisfying. Well, I know it's wet. You can still see that stuff still there. Yeah. Just kind of took the clear coat edge that was peeling off. Looks pretty good. That little spot of rust is about the only spot on the truck. There's one little surface rust area back here by the rear fuel door. The rear tank also needs replaced. The fuel pump's bad in that. We'll probably just put a whole tank and fuel pump in that. Otherwise, hood came around a little bit. Obviously, we might have to sand that down and see if we can get that come back. I don't know. Grill come around real nice. Headlights come around pretty good. Pretty happy with that. It's got the factory like Alcoa wheels on it. Those are super nice. There's a couple spots that are pitted. Otherwise, looks pretty good. This side of the bed's great, actually. No issues there. But yeah, man. All around, cleaned up pretty well. I should have swept out all the leaves in the bed because now they are absolutely everywhere. Made a complete mess, but hey, whatever. Chrome, stainless, whatever you want to call it, come around good on the windshield and on the mirrors and stuff. I might take some Scotch-Brite to or steel wool to the bumper. I'd probably clean up pretty good. Probably going to take the running boards off because this one is kind of dangerous. You only got a little bit to step on. It's kind of pushed in, so I might just take them off. That way there's no worry about slipping off of that. But yeah, otherwise that's pretty well it. Just kind of want to give you guys a update on this because I know you guys haven't seen this yet. So this one will pretty much be a daily, if you will. Probably not going to pull a trailer or anything like that with it because it's not really rated for that. So that's about it on this. We might do a couple little things here and there if you guys want to see it, but yeah, otherwise that is the new to us F-150 that was my grandpa's, and I think we're gonna call this Huck. And if you know why, comment below. It has nothing to do with my grandpa, but it kind of has to do with the time period he would have grown up in, 50s. So if you have any idea of why they might be naming this thing Huck, let me know. See if you can guess it. Thanks, guys. We will see you very soon. We got some cool things coming. Thanks. Also, a little side note. I know it's dark, I'm sorry, but put fuel in this before we washed it here, and because I had to put fuel in the cans too. And supposedly this thing is getting like 18, 19 miles a gallon. Kind of find that hard to believe, but if you have a 5.0 mid-90s Ford, is that accurate? Is that amazing? Did I do something completely wrong? Let me know.
Sky's not the limit, it's just the beginning.